Hello hungry fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few viral drink hacks from TikTok and see if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Let's watch the first clip of making ice lava drink. First, I've taken half cup of pomegranate seeds. I'm using a whisk to kind of mash it and get the juice out of it. So from half cup of seeds, I hardly got 2 to 3 tablespoons of the juice. Then in another glass, I'm adding some ice cubes and placing a slice of lemon in the corner. Then pour the Sprite till 3/4 of the glass. And using a strainer to pour the pomegranate juice. And look how beautiful it looks. Garnish it with some pomegranate seeds and fresh sprig of mint leaves. So only in few minutes the lemon and the seeds are gone down. So let's taste it quickly. The taste is nice. Actually, I can only taste the Sprite, not the pomegranate juice at all. But it's a great hack if you want to serve a fancy pink drink rather than plain Sprite. So I'm going to rate it a 7 on 10. For the Oreo Frappuccino, I'm adding 10 ice cubes in a blender, 1 cup of cold milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar or powdered sugar, and 8 Oreos. Let's blend it. And pour it into any glass you want. Garnish it with some crushed Oreos. Let's taste it now. And that was really good. If you add some vanilla ice cream to this while blending, that would be perfect. But this Oreo Frappuccino was a 9 on 10. You should definitely try it. For our next drink, which is called the Golden Island, I added cubes of half a mango in a glass. Again, I used a whisk to mash it. Once the mangoes are nice and mashed up, add some ice cubes. Pour the Sprite till 3/4 of the glass and top it up with drinkable yogurt. Here I used Yakult. Me being messy, I kind of spilled the Yakult everywhere, so please ignore that and look at the beauty of the drink. Finally, garnish it with some mango cubes. I'm going to stir it because the mashed mangoes are in the bottom and I need to taste the drink as a whole. And damn, it has such a unique, confusing flavor. Like, I actually don't know how to explain it. It is so weird that it is so amazing. I mean, yeah, the Golden Island is a 10 on 10. For making Brazilian limeade, and yes, you heard it right, it's limeade and not lemonade this time. I added 2.5 limes into the blender, half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, and 2 cups of water. Let's blend it. So I'm making half the recipe because I'm not sure about blending it with the peel. I'm going to strain it now. And discard the rest. Then again add it to the blender and add more 1.5 cups of water. Blend it again. Add ice cubes in the bowl and add our prepared limeade into it. It kind of looks like sugarcane juice, but it has a very weird smell. Let's taste it first. So it is very bitter, obviously because of the lime peel. I don't know if there was something wrong with the limes I used or the hack was fake, but I didn't like the taste at all. So for me it is a 0 on 10. Our final drink is Summer Cloud, which uses grapes, but since we hardly get fruits in rainy season, I'm replacing it with yellow kiwi, which looks kind of similar with the video. Also, I wanted to try this hack because I already had Gatorade, so we gotta work with what we have. Again, I'm mashing the kiwi with a whisk. Fill the entire glass with ice. Then add 3/4 of the glass with blue Gatorade. And top it up with Sprite. Garnish it with cubes of kiwi and it looks very pretty. So the Summer Cloud, which I guess I should rename it as Rainy Cloud, tastes really good. It has a nice sweet and sour flavor. So it is a 9.5 on 10. Try these fun hacks and let me know how they were in the comment section below. Today's big shout out goes to Gajanan Agencies, who is actually Ridhima Patil, for literally commenting on all my videos. So if you want a shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.